Ciao a tutti and welcome back from Luca.
And Marina, hi
And-
guys.
And this is 100 useful Italian expressions. So before we begin today, first of all, we kind of changed the formats. Instead of making short videos of one single sentence, we're gonna make longer videos. We're gonna cover a few different sentences. But there's a question that I would like to ask all of you. I'm very, very curious where you guys come from. I think there's the whole world watching these videos, but I want to see really where every one of you is. So I please ask you to write it down in the comments, say your country, and also I would like to know why are you learning Italian. So stay tuned with us, okay? All right, Marina, your first question of the day.
Yes, I have a list of questions. So, to begin with, I'd like to ask you how to say in Italian break a leg
Mhm.
when you wish someone, good luck.
Okay. First of all, I apologize for my voice because I've been using my voice too much and it's a bit scratchy.
He
But
was shouting a lot at me, yeah.
you? No, never. I would never do that. Okay, so let's say you want to say good luck. Good luck is very simple. You say buona fortuna.
Okay, buona fortuna.
Fortuna. Fortuna is fortune, luck. But if you want to use something more colorful as an expression, you can say in bocca al lupo. In bocca al lupo.
In bocca al lupo.
Do you know what that means? Literally?
I guess so, but it's better if you explain.
Okay, in bocca al lupo literally means in the mouth of the wolf. In the mouth of the wolf. Wow. And do you know what we reply to that?
No?
Okay, so this is what most people would reply is crepi il lupo, which means may the wolf die. Crepi il lupo. So this
Poor
is what
wolf.
for wolf. That's the thing. This is what everybody is going to reply. Crepi il lupo. But that's the wrong answer. So now I'm going to teach you the real answer. And if you use the real answer, the correct answer, some people might be,
Surprise.
giving you looks like what? But you can tell them, listen, this is the right answer. Luca told me, and if you Google it, if you check it, it's correct. So the right answer would be Viva il lupo. Viva il lupo means may the wolf live.
Yeah.
And that's
It's
because
much better. I like it much better.
exactly sounds better too. It's because the wolf protects the puppies in the mouth, in its mouth. Okay, so if the wolf dies, the puppies die too. So the wolf should live. So viva il lupo, may the wolf live.
Okay, let's repeat everything again.
Okay.
So the expression is crepi. No, the expression is in bocca al lupo, and you reply.
Viva il lupo.
Okay, which means good luck or break a leg.
Yes, in bocca al lupo. Break a leg. Break a leg. Simply to say just simply good luck is buona fortuna. But I like in bocca al lupo better because it's more colorful.
Okay, so
Next.
how to say in Italian have fun.
Okay, have fun. This is very easy. Obviously, it depends if you're speaking to just one person or more than one person.
Yeah, like the first one is just
So
you tell me.
okay,
Have fun.
Marina, have fun. Divertiti.
Divertiti. Mhm.
Divertiti. If you want to say this to more people, more than one person, you say divertitevi. Okay?
Divertitevi.
Yes.
Mhm.
Okay, it's like a bit of a tongue twister, but it's not that difficult. Divertiti or divertitevi.
Okay. Next. Have a safe flight.
Have a safe flight.
Yeah.
You
Have
know
a
what?
good flight. Have a safe flight.
We don't really use that
You
expression.
don't really wish to have a safe flight.
No, we use something more generic. In general, we say buon viaggio, which is like
Okay, yeah. Have a good
good.
trip.
Yeah, it's like literally good trip. Buon good viaggio trip. So
Buon
you can
viaggio.
say buon viaggio. Yes.
And if I'm in a plane, if I'm already on a plane, then
Mm,
no?
The same thing. Yeah, buon viaggio.
Buon viaggio.
Yeah.
Okay. Then the next one is if I just want to wish someone to have a good day or a good evening.
Okay. This is important. Obviously, we
Yeah,
use it all the time.
Yeah.
So, you know how when you say good morning and good evening, you would say buongiorno and buonasera. And if you want to say have a good morning or have a good day or have a good evening, you would say buona giornata. Okay, have a good day.
Buona giornata.
And buona serata. Have a good evening.
Yeah.
Okay.
Buona serata. Buona giornata e buona serata. Have a good morning. No.
It's giornata.
Okay, and then have a good night.
Have a good night. Good question. You would say,
Oh my, buonanotte, no?
but buonanotte is when you go to sleep. So,
Yeah,
so
that's what I mean.
it's really when you're really going to bed. You would say buonanotte.
Buonanotte. All right, so just two more. Two more. See you later. See you. Yeah.
See you later.
Yeah.
See you later is ci vediamo dopo. Okay?
Yeah.
But you can also say ci sentiamo dopo.
Like talk to you later or?
Exactly. We
Ok,
can
ci
talk.
vediamo dopo e ci sentiamo dopo.
Okay.
Yeah, ci vediamo.
And
I know.
since you asked me this, it's very important to communicate in Italian with the help of your hands, okay? So this is something we do all the time. If we say ci vediamo dopo, you know what we do? We do this, okay? This means dopo, later.
Yeah.
If you don't want to use words, because I don't know, you're in a situation you cannot talk, but you see somebody, you make eye contact, you want to say ci vediamo dopo, you just do this. Or ci sentiamo dopo, let's talk later, you simply do this. That's very easy. Okay.
Yeah, especially with your face, like.
I mean that's also Italian. You know, in Italy we can literally say anything just speaking with hands. So this is just as important.
Okay, one more. How to say me too or me neither.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so
Like I like it, oh me too. I don't like it, oh me neither.
okay, so I like it, mi piace,
Mm-hmm.
and you want to say me too, I like it too,
Yeah.
you say anche a me.
Anche a me.
Ok? Quindi mi piace il gelato.
Mi piace viaggiare?
Mi piace viaggiare.
Anche a me.
Perfetto. Il contrario, the opposite, the contrary, would be non mi piace
Viaggiare.
non mi piace ballare, because I don't like
Okay.
dancing.
I
She
don't like
loves it.
that.
Non mi piace ballare, and you would say, I don't like dancing. Me neither would be neanche a me. So,
Okay.
anche a me, me too. Neanche a me, me neither.
Okay, now you give me two sentences and I practice.
Okay.
And you guys too, write your answers right below this video.
Yes, you can practice, besides writing where you're from, while you're learning Italian, you can play with us. We're here with you. Make my best.
Love your
Marina and I.
comments.
Yeah, exactly. We try to reply to every comment. Of course, there's a lot of comments, but we try to really be on the ball and really answer every one of them.
Okay.
So, Marina, use the sentence with the verb pulire.
No, you give me a sentence and I just agree or disagree.
Ah, okay. Mi piace pulire, which means to clean.
Anche a me.
Oh, really? Okay, interesting.
I love that.
Okay. Non mi piace cantare. I don't like singing.
Yeah, okay. Neanche a me.
Okay.
Neanche a me.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, I think we're done. My list for today is.
Yes. So you guys can practice, and I think we covered like 6 sentences.
Oh yeah.
I hope you like this new format. With more sentences, a bit longer video, but we'll make fewer videos but longer, and you have a lot of sentences. So see you soon on the next video. Ciao. Have a great
And
day.
yes, share,
And
like, and
obviously.
of course, don't forget about our amazing workbook and mind maps.
And mind maps, yes.
Audio mind
We have
maps.
workbook if you want to practice Italian in 30 days. And if you're finished with that, you should try the mind maps which we created.
Yes.
Which also are really, really good. All right, see you soon. Soon. Dopo. Ciao.